Hi and welcome back to Cheeky Crypto. Today guys, I'm just going to do some quick TA on XRP in line with the TA that I've done down in Discord. So if you haven't yet joined us in Discord, links in the description down below, go check it out. So on XRP here, as indicated yesterday, there was a divergence here. We had a decreasing highs being set here on XRP's price chart, and the stochastic RSI was actually increasing at the time. So we saw a divergence. This was basically going to indicate that we were going to move down, pretty much aligned to what Bitcoin was doing at the time. So I want to kind of talk about what this move is and what's going on here and what I would expect to happen next, right? So we can see that we had these 5 impulsive moves up. That set the high point. We then had the ABC down and the ABC up, again hitting this as a lower high. And then, of course, you know, we start to see that we track down. Now we had an interesting kind of wave here. This was the expectation was to kind of finish at about 74, but that was an impulsive move. So let me show you what's going on here, right? So effectively, if we take the measurement of our A wave, or what would have been our A wave, and move this over to the B wave here, you can see that we actually felt a reasonably good level. And basically it was just short of the 1.382. Then of course we come down past the 1.382 and past the 1.618. So this effectively means that we are in an impulsive move down. So if I just quickly remove that and grab hold of my Elliott wave 5 waves, the impulsive moves, we have 1, 2, this being wave 3, this being wave 4 up here, and then we should look to come down. Now, because we kind of are in this overbought area on the stochastic RSI, we're pretty much ready for this drop. So let me go ahead and measure the distance on this 4th wave. It's actually a little bit higher than that. Let me just bring that up a little bit, just about there. Cool. Okay, so therefore what we have here is a 1.618. This is the kind of minimum requirement for this 5th wave. I say minimum, it's kind of what we would expect to happen. So this basically is 71.18. Okay, so that's kind of what I'm expecting to happen now. So as we start to think about what this breakdown was at the top here, as we start to pull back down, the overbought stochastic RSI on the hourly, the correction I think is due. That would actually take us down to about 71.1. And on the 4-hourly chart, we're already in this oversold area. So this last little push down should actually mean that we should be starting to think about, you know, moves up, which would be cool. So if we come into our 8-hourly, we can see that that's also in the oversold area now. So this last little pullback would actually cement that in. And the daily chart, if it will load, not sure why it's not. There we go. We can see it's about midway through and it's starting to see a reversal. So this is actually pretty good. You know, we can see something maybe like what we had previously, a small push up, a pull back, and then a continuation to the upside there. So obviously the weekly I think is moving quite as well, probably faster to the upside than we would like on the weekly chart. So let's really focus in on what's going on right now in the smaller time frame. So we kind of get an idea that we are looking for reversal after this pullback. But this would start its journey off as an ABC, and we would probably need to have some kind of larger correction in the future for XRP, but there's no timeline that I have on that just yet. So right now what we want to do is we want to kind of see this area come back down. We want to see this in about 71.1. If I go ahead and remove this and remove the fib and just zoom in, you can see the bounce that we were having here and here, and so we've got a lot of exhausted sellers just in this zone here. We pushed all the way through, and then obviously we found that resistance again right in this zone. So what was previously a good buying area has become an area of selling. Down here we have all of these wicks, right? So again, this was a buying area. I anticipate that we are going to push all the way through it, and then we're going to retest on that area. So we'll probably come down, retest it, and come down again. I expect some kind of ABC move to occur here as we head down towards 71.1. But yeah, XRP guys, I'm going to leave it there, just a short one to kind of couple what has been going on in Discord. If you haven't yet joined us in Discord, go ahead and check it out. It's completely free, links in the description down below. Join us on Patreon if you're looking for more technical analysis, etc., member only AMAs, etc. All of the links are in the description down below. With all that said, done and out of the way, hope everyone has a fantastic day, and I'll catch you all in the next one.